Samsung is launching the Galaxy S25 with the addition of a Plus variant, and it will be a super flagship smartphone. This Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is going to be one of the best choice. It will come all the premium specifications and features. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone is coming with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touchscreen display. Refresh rate is 120 Hz. 2600 peak brightness. Samsung S25 Plus is fitted with 12 GB of RAM. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Galaxy S25 is coming with the extremely fast chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite with an 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU. And there is a triple camera system back on the phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel. The smartphone comes with a large 4900 capacity battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.